as well as, of course, it helps you with your career. Now, you would have seen multiple jobs wherever they're posted, requirement English. So equipping yourself with English is very important for your career as well. And of course, last but not least, is access to knowledge. Now, all the major articles, publications, all those things are always scientific research, mostly are published in English, which is very important as well. Now,
language ever. So this is my vision. The career plans, most of the career in the future or recently require English language.
Questions? So the first question, how did we start learning English? For me, when I was grade 4, when I first came to Malaysia, I joined an international school. You know, I have no choice, and just only learning English.
6, from other people that are with me in school, and just watching movies in general and listening to people speak. That's how I learned English. What methods?
and